Hi guys, you are watching today old oil tins, craft ideas. You are watching the punch old tin made for use for night lamp. You are watching different oil tins decorating with the flowers, glitter sheet flowers decorating oil tin. You are watching old oil tins using for plant. You are watching three more oil tins decorating and using for different plants. You are watching two oil tins uh, planted, and you are watching two more uh, oil tins. You are watching the old tins, Coca-Cola tins make for model of musical instrument. You are watching the tins convert to the kettles. You are watching two tins decorating with the popsicle sticks. You are watching the tins decorating with the flowers and color, making model of plant shower. You are watching the decorating old oil tins. You are watching the old oil tins decorating with the jute and flowers table organizer. You are watching the old oil tins decorating with the glitter sheet. You are watching the old oil tins decorating with the flowers and color. You are watching the decorated old oil tins. You are watching the old oil tins colored and decorate. Uh, you are watching another oil tin. You are watching uh, beautiful decoration. You are watching another oil tin decorate with the jute and net. You are watching the old oil tins uh, different decorate on flower. You are watching old oil tins used for the candles, and you are watching another oil tins decorate with the jute rope and sunflowers. You are watching the old oil tins decorate and use for the mosquito coil. You are watching another oil tin idea decorating. You are watching another oil tins paint on different colors. You are watching the huge oil tins decorate color on flowers, beautiful decoration. You are watching a robot made with the old oil tins. You are watching old oil tins for plantation. You are watching old oil tins for candles, old oil tins, creative ways to reuse. You are watching another idea for